One of my friend is there, okay, who's having huge loan, 95 lakhs. Okay. And because he was planning for a lot of business is his dream. He was doing multiple business, did not work out. Okay. He was in huge lakhs of loan, 6-7 credit card loans. Okay. Any loan that you can think of, he will be having. Okay. And he will not sit and analyze where he doesn't even know where all the loans are, because he is actually thinking about itself is giving him panic attack. He's thinking, oh my God, thinking about itself is actually giving me a lot of putting me in a disappointment state. Okay. Like he doesn't want to look at it. Okay. That will become a situation. Guys, people, assume that a lot of people will be there who might be having loans and so on. I want you to sit today. Okay. Stop other work, afternoon, post lunch, right? Sit, put down everything in a sheet of paper, write down how much, loans you have, how much the investment, how much asset and so on. Okay, where the maximum outflow is happening. Is it any possibility of reducing interest by shifting it something else and so on, so that burden can be reduced. One person can actually have a huge impact also on your interest or EMIs. Okay, plan that. So let's now look into some of the analysis part. Okay. Yeah, so we'll be looking at the analysis. So what I want you to become is that any mutual fund, you should be able to actually see for yourself, analyze it and decide for yourself. That's the objective I want you to have. Okay, few things you're going to discuss. One, how to actually analyze a particular mutual fund and check whether it is good or bad. How to compare it to the peers. Okay, peers, and decide the best possible one. And the third one, okay, how to actually utilize the mutual fund for having a watch list for trading. I'll repeat that. For our day-to-day trading, short-term or intraday or long-term, medium, mid-term and so on, how to actually select or create a watch list for ourselves from the mutual funds. We normally create the watch list from the stocks, right? List of stocks, Nifty 50, Nifty 100 and so on. How to actually create a watch list from using mutual funds. Okay, all that we'll be seeing in detail.